Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Koenig Arius. Now the thing to know about the Arius, there are tons of different styles to this one. I pulled this one because it's flashy. I think it looks cool. So I'll show you a couple others in a minute here. But overall length is 8.5 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches, and they use either CTS-204P or CTS-XHP for the steel on this guy. Handle length is 4.875 inches. And it's titanium on this one, but we have a new one that just came out with micarta, and it's quite pretty. It looks really, really cool. It's got this nice milled pattern. It's very subtle, but very beautiful. I like that a lot. So I'll continue with this one now. The overall weight on this one is 4.5 ounces, and the other ones, the ones that don't have special scales, are right around 6 ounces. But that varies a little bit as well. You've got a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry, and it is a frame lock with a flipper. You can also use this little hole to flip it open as well. Now I'm just going to run through and show you a couple of the other options because they have a ton of them. So you got the micarta scale here. You got the one that I showed you originally with titanium and a satin blade. And you've got your distressed DLC coated black version with titanium handles, and you've got this one, which is I think a newer one. You've got a cutout here on the handle. Looks really cool. And you've got the oh gosh, the words are escaping me, stone-washed blade with the satin swedge up at the top. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com, the Koenig Arius.